Hey guys, it's your girl Sambonbon back with another video for today. And for today's video, I'm super excited because it's gonna be based around 21 things to do for your 21st birthday. So what really inspired me to get this video going was just that my 21st birthday was actually last weekend. So my birthday's on November 7th and I just turned 21. I've been waiting for this for so long and I'm finally 21. It's so amazing to say that, like, I was so inspired by my 21st birthday that I thought the perfect video would be 21 things to do for your 21st birthday, Corona edition. So let's get into the video right now. So the number one thing on the list that anybody on their 21st birthday should be doing is pop a bottle of champagne. I started doing this tradition 2 years ago where I get a bottle of champagne and I pop it on my birthday. Yeah, I know. Oh, drinking underage. Oh, don't tell anybody. The regular drinking age in European countries is 18, so I don't want to hear it, y'all. I don't even want to hear it. The second thing you should do on your 21st birthday is have the bartender surprise you. So I know it's Corona and you can't really go out and eat like inside the restaurants or anything, but you can either do curbside and just take it home, or you can sit outside if that restaurant offers patio seating. And I am not against, sitting outside as long as you are just socially distancing yourself away from other people. I think that's the smart way to go about it, and always just wear your mask if the server's coming up. The third thing on this list is to take at least 21 pictures on your 21st birthday. I know it kind of sounds like it would be like a lot of pictures, but if you think about it, if you're taking pictures like from the morning all the way to the night, you'll be able to take 21 pictures like really quick. And let's just say you're not going anywhere, you can still just take pictures, just random things that just symbolize your birthday, and you could just keep it as memories because you only turn 21 once. So why not take as many pictures as you can? The fourth thing on the list to do for your 21st birthday is you have to dance to 50 Cent's It's Your Birthday. I mean, come on, this is like a no-brainer. The first thing I did when I woke up in the morning, when my sister surprised me with some stuff, was playing 50 Cent's It's Your Birthday. And you don't have to do it as soon as you wake up, but you have to listen to it at least once. Number 5 on the list is to chug a beer. And I know a lot of people aren't, big beer drinkers and all that, so just chug any drink for that fact. But let's just say, if you are somebody who drinks beer, you have to chug at least one beer. I think for your 21st, you have to chug at least one thing. I think just in general, if you're not chugging, you're not living. So the sixth thing you can do on your 21st birthday is that if you live in a city or anywhere that just offers scooters, I say ride the scooter for 21 minutes. I think the cheapest one that I've used before is like Spin, and they're still really good. They go pretty fast and stuff. But of course, make sure to bring hand sanitizer so you can like wipe it down and stuff like that. And then, you can sanitize your hands after as well. Because, you gotta be smart. It's Corona. Duh. Number 7, sounds a little much, but drink at least 21 drinks throughout the day. Not like in the morning, not at night, but throughout the day. So I'm not telling you guys to start early or anything. I'm not gonna lie, on my birthday, I low-key woke up and took like a shot or two. Maybe. This is at your own discretion, all right? If you think you can handle 21 drinks, go for it. But if you know that your limit is very low and you can't drink that much, then definitely don't drink 21 drinks, okay? Just keep that in mind. Make sure you're drinking while thinking. Drink and think. Number 8 on the list is try a drink you've never tried before. I know for a lot of people, they haven't drank before they were 21, all the good Samaritans in America. But I feel like if you haven't drank anything, then you are free to drink whatever because you've never tried it. But if you are someone who has drank a little bit before, I think you should go out of your comfort zone and maybe try something you never tried before. Number 9 on the list is go to at least one liquor store. I know it's Corona and all that stuff like that, so if you feel like you're comfortable enough to go into a store, I definitely recommend going to at least one liquor store. Of course, you gotta have your mask on and you gotta distance and all that stuff like that. The only thing though that I had to make sure, before I went to a liquor store is that some of them will be nice if your ID is still vertical. A lot of them, in Maryland especially, if your ID is vertical, they'll like turn you away. But some of them will be nice and give you the drinks sometimes, but it kind of just depends on the liquor store. If you have a passport or, military ID or anything else with a picture on it, I would say reach for that if you still have your vertical ID. But again, just be aware of it. So number 10 on the list is to make 21 cookies. If you're not a heavy drinker and you don't really care for drinking, even if it is your 21st, making 21 cookies is just a fun activity just to enjoy. And if you don't like cookies, make brownies. I mean, just make any type of like sweets, anything that you just really like. So for number 11, this one's a little bit more active, but you should work out for maybe like 21 minutes or, you know, go on a walk for 21 minutes. I feel like this is just nice because your body is just gonna want to see nature and just breathe in some fresh air. And I feel like it will just make you feel good. Number 12 is to make s'mores. So this is so exciting. It's kind of like the making cookies type of thing. You don't have to make 21 s'mores or anything like that, just s'mores in general. If you have a fire pit or you know somebody has a fire pit, just make sure it's only like 1 or 2 friends that are with you, and maybe just go to a friend's house and you guys just enjoy some s'mores together and just have a great time. Number 13 is to have a Zoom meeting with your friends or family and take some shots. So this one, you don't necessarily have to take shots, but it's your 21st birthday. So it's like kind of a given. If you don't, it's not that big of a deal, but I feel like having a Zoom meeting with like your friends or your family is just important to do, especially during these times, because I know a lot of people, their friends or family aren't really in the area where they are, so it's hard to stay in contact with them. So for your birthday, I feel like it's just important to just reach out to them, or you can even play games over the Zoom meeting like Uno and stuff like that. So I think it's definitely fun and worth a try. Number 14 is to paint your toes and your nails. I feel like painting your nails and your toes are like so therapeutic. I feel like doing that, it will just make the day just feel really good and relaxing. And then also you can pair it with a glass of wine as well, so you can throw in a little alcohol beverage in there. So number 15 is for the people that just don't want to stay inside at all. It's about going on a scenic drive, maybe in the back roads of where you live or just anywhere in your neighborhood if it's like you're surrounded by trees. I feel like just going on a drive sometimes is just so nice and relaxing. You can just see all the beautiful stuff around your neighborhood and the beautiful nature and just really just love it and just take it all in and be like, I've been on this earth for 21 years. And what's great about it is that you can still be safe and practice, you know, social distancing because you'll be in the car by yourself. Number 16 is have a movie marathon. So this can be with yourself, maybe some close friends, or maybe you have a boyfriend or a girlfriend. I feel like just having a movie marathon is just amazing, and why wouldn't you want to do that? Especially if you just want to be lazy on your 21st. It's your birthday, for goodness sake, so you can do whatever you want. And then also you can drink if you really want to. You can maybe choose a movie that's really popular and has some drinking games with it and maybe just do that. Really up to you, but I think having a movie marathon is something that would be so cool to do on your birthday. Number 17 is to order a drink that starts with the first letter of your name. So for me, my name is Samantha. If I were to do this, which I didn't think about it, but I wish I did now, is I'd probably order like a Sex on the Beach, for example. It's a drink, guys, calm down. All right, calm down. I'm gonna censor it now. For example, that would be the drink I would choose because it starts with the first letter of my name. If you have a name that starts with an X, I have no idea how to help you with that. I would just say Google it and maybe just find some drink names that start with an X. So good luck to you. Number 18 is to have 2 or 3 of your closest friends over for a game night. So I feel like this could be really fun. I know, again, you know, when it comes to the social distancing, maybe you don't feel fully comfortable with like having, you know, even 7 people around you, even though that's like supposed to be okay. I feel like maybe having 2 or 3 isn't as bad. I feel like having a game night with them would just be really fun and just really enjoyable and definitely worth trying, especially if you're not gonna go out anywhere. Number 19 is to upload at least 1 birthday post on your Instagram, your Twitter, your Facebook, your LinkedIn, I don't know, whatever the hell you have. Post at least 1 birthday picture just because. I mean, who cares if it's a picture of the damn sky? Because why not? It's your birthday and you can do it. Number 20 is a little bit underrated and a little bit forgotten, but treat yourself. You gotta treat yourself. You've been on this earth for 21 years, damn it. You've worked your ass off through all of those elementary and middle school and high school tests, and now you're in college and you're still kicking ass. I say treat yourself. Even if you go get like a piece of candy and that's for like 50 cents, who cares? Don't forget that you need to treat yourself. I mean, people can give you gifts and give you whatever, but it's really nice when you go out and buy something small for yourself or even something just really special. You'll just feel good about yourself. And 21, the last thing ever, is do not, I repeat, do not throw up. This will be hard for my heavy drinkers who are just knocking back drinks and shots. But trust me, guys, you do not want to be dead on your 21st birthday. You want to be at least coherent, maybe really tipsy, but not full-blown drunk. But I personally spaced out my drinking because I hate hangovers and I hate just feeling like crap the next day. So I was spacing out my drinks and I was drinking Gatorade, water, eating lots of food. You just want to make sure you don't throw up. Just try not to throw up, but if you do, good luck, Charlie. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hopefully you guys got some inspiration for your own 21st birthdays. I know it's really hard to celebrate something so big, especially when it's like Corona season. So I thought this video would just be really helpful. So I named some things that you can do if you want to go out to a restaurant or even if you want to stay in. So I'm hoping there's enough things in this list that you guys can at least pick, you know, a few things from it. Like even before, like I was turning 21, I was so worried that I was like, oh my God, it's gonna be my 21st birthday. Nobody's gonna care. Like I can't do anything. It's Corona season. So I just want this video to help people who are thinking like me, thinking that there's absolutely nothing they can do just because there's a pandemic going on. But there are some things you can do. As long as you're staying safe, wearing your mask, social distancing, I feel like you could still get so many fun things done and still enjoy your birthday the way you would want to. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you guys didn't really like it, you can give it a thumbs down and comment below what I should be adding or what I should be taking away. As always, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys for next week's video. Mwah.